Hello vote Hamin. So welcome back to the channel. Remember, this particular information we are going to be sharing is actually not a financial advice. It is for information and entertainment purpose only, so do well to make your own further research. So currently this is vote Hinnon, and vote is been down about 29.52% in the last 1 week, and in the last 24 hours vote is down about 7.64% right here. So this is the current price of vote Hinnon. So, and I have some stuff to actually show you right now. So let's move into the video in details without wasting much of the time. Currently this is the graph of vote Hinnon, and vote is actually coming massively down. You can see the graph right here. It was actually down to this area about the last 48 hours before. Now it's actually maintained this green light, so this is actually still going to come down a little. We are actually seeing the candle coming up. So if you actually bought this particular token again when it was here, when it came down and it was around this particular site, so by the time it actually came up again and landed at this side, you would have made another X. So let me tell you how you can actually do this in the next move right now. So this is another great opportunity because vote is actually about this particular area right now, and probably it might actually pumped up or come down. So if you have to wait for it to come down, that would be between tonight and tomorrow morning. So anything that happens between tonight and tomorrow morning will keep happening. So if it's going up within tomorrow morning, it will keep going up, and if it's coming down, it will keep coming down again right here. So this is actually going to take me down to one of the Twitter handle, and let's check out the latest updates we have on Twitter. So before we go into, let's go into CoinMarketCap and let's check the latest update also on the CoinMarketCap. Currently on CoinMarketCap actually said we are having the price to be this, so a little bit differs or different from what we have on the desktop, but it's actually similar right here, and we have about 3.25% down right here. So before we go back, let's come back here and let's check out the sale of vote Hinnon. So right here I'm going to go back to the sale of vote Hinnon. Let's see something massive right here. So in the sale type, we have one sell, one buy, one sell, two buy, one sell, and the rest seem to be buy. So which means people are actually using this opportunity to actually bargain more of voting, and this is actually massive. So after a massive buy, we have one sell again, we have one buy, we have one sell, then we have a massive buy, one sell, buy. So this is actually something nice about voting right now. So let's check out right here also, and let's check the latest update of the orders currently. So I'm going to go straight to the order, and from the order, right, you can see the order keep increasing again because of the massive dip that actually came in of voting. You can see this is the graph for the order. So the order was actually about this area before, and now you can see where the order is actually standing at this particular point in time. This is actually going to be massive, and you can see it's actually high right here. So let's go into the Twitter handle and let's check out what we have as vote Hinnon on Twitter currently. So Twitter is one of the top trending coin in the United States, like top 10 trending coin in USA, and vote is number one. You can actually see right here, vote is actually number one. Vote is just about 5 months now, and this is a massive improvement in vote Hinnon. So this is actually the official Twitter handle, and what we have right here is actually massive. Said vote is the only union that can, and there is nothing you can do about it. Vote is the only union, and there's nothing you can do about it. Does it mean Shiba Inu is not an union again? No. So this is actually just a encouragement platform just to actually urge the vote Hamin to actually know that vote Hinnon is actually going to be standing firm and nothing will actually happen. And this is a great information, and this is a great news. So I would like to have you on my next video, and do not forget to smash on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell icon. So thanks so much for watching, and I love you all guys, and peace out.